Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit Training. We continue on with this warehouse project that I had done before. I'm redoing it. So we got our walls in. I got to fix all the openings. Got this nice little storefront out front here that's still going to need a door. But for right now, we're going to do the foundation, get that out of the way. So here, I'm going to use this drawing right here. Actually, I want to be in my structural. And I want to go in and do a structural wall, and it's going to be my properties here. Going to do a 12-inch concrete, and from this drawing it's going to be level 1 base constraints. We're going down, and then I want to go center line. Yeah, core wall center line. So just go from here, take this all the way down to here, come across that way. Hey guys, haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Get these videos done and come this way. It's pretty straightforward here. Hopefully this is going to line up right. Go this way here. Yep, it's coming up pretty good. And I'm going to go up to there. Come down here. You see those doors are showing up. This is the structural model though. This is, we want to show this is going to work in structural, because if you know what happens with structural, everything wants to go in depth. So wouldn't work in architecture file unless you got to do some tricky stuff. But again, who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate and all the support they get on this channel. So we're going to take this all the way down here. Right there. There's our precast that we did some reinforcing in. We got to do more. I didn't do them all. And we'll come up to here and close this off. So now we have our, where is it at? Okay, so now we've got our foundation wall here. It's a 12-inch, as you can see in the 3D view. And go down here and you see in the top of footing. We're going to see that wall now. And delete that reference out. So now we want to go and put in our footing. So we can go this drawing here, we're going to do that in. I don't know if it'll let us do it in this one, but we can do it in the 3D view. So here we just go to where isolated is. I want to use the top of footing just to make sure. We're going to isolated here. And we'll just pick these walls. Now what size we got? We got a 36 by 12 inch. So that's a 3 by 12. I'm going to go with that one, but it depends on the engineering. Go with that one there. And this one. Here. And here. So as you can see in our 3D view, we have our footing here. Next, what we want to look at is, let's drop a section in here to see what it looks like. Should be one already out here. I'm going to go to level 1. Yeah, we got some section views. So let's just open the section here. And that's what we got in our section view. Okay, now what I want to do here is I want to offset the foundation wall. So I'll go back into my structural drawing here, top of footing, and I want to go and tab select, if I can I? Well, I can do it on my 3D view, I think. Let me see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what happened there? Oh, sorry, it was out of command. So, okay, so let's go into, okay, top of footing here. Okay, now what we want to do, let me go back into the section. Should be able to do it here. So I want to grab this wall. Say modified. Okay, there we go. I want to select this and I want to right. Let's just go out here. Do this in my structural L1. Yeah, nope, not that one. Can I see it in that wall? Yeah, there it is. Foundation wall. So I'm going to tab this wall here. Grab them all. Yeah, we got them. Did I get all of them? I think I did. Yep. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into my properties over here. And I want to do an offset, top offset of -1 inch. We want a 1 inch gap in between here. Okay. So if we selected wall, uh-oh, I don't see it there. Didn't get it, did I? No. And we can all double check in the section view as well. No, we didn't get our 1 inch. So we're going to take that guy again here. And tab selected here. And I'm going to do a top offset -1 inch. Or minor not, -1 inch. There you go. Enter. And there we go. So there's our gap that we want in there for our fittings and our plates. So I'm going to select this guy here and just measure this out. Make sure we're good here. There we go. So now we've got our 1 inch. We got our top of footing here. Okay, so now we've got our moving along pretty good here. So now we need to get some floors in here, and what I need is to get my columns and everything. But we want to focus on the floors here. So now here we're going to go to our level 1. And I want to do concrete floors here. Actually, let's go in our architectural drawing and do this one. No. We want to be in the structural level 1. That's the drawing we want to be in. So we want to go to level 1 and do a structural floor. And it's going to be a slab on grade, so it's probably going to be like a 6 inch. Yeah, let's do a 6 inch. And we can just pick these walls. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And this is the holiday season. Hope everybody has a nice holiday, safe and sound. And okay, what's going on here? If I can extend and intersect these two. Okay, so I'm going to finish that off. Okay, we got an issue here. What's going on here? Something's not right. Okay, it's got to be a closed loop here. What's going on here? Same thing. Nope, I've got to get my span direction right. We want to go this way and finish. We don't want to attach. 4 ups over the side of the walls or volume of, no. I don't know, I might have to double check that. But anyway, there's our floor. We go look back at that section view. And there we have our floor there. And now I want to go and do a slab edge here. So go into this view. Uh-oh, sorry. Go back into my top of footing view. Let me just do a slab edge around here. There you go. There. There. Going to have to look in that section and see what's going on here, because I don't really know. So look at section 3. Hopefully it's right. Uh-oh. Did I put one there? But anyway, guys, I might leave it there. Let's see. Go back to level 1. Okay, we didn't get our slab edge in there, so we'll come back to that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Let me see what's going on here. We do it this way too, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. We got our floor in, and we'll come back and do our structural stuff, our framing, and our joists and beams. So we got our floor. I'm gonna work on that in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. This is going to come out pretty good, I think. Here's our L1. Here's our top of footing here. Again, I'm going to have to go in and fix the slab edge. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe and have a good holiday, Thanksgiving. Bye.